Hi guys, welcome back on board of the Crypto Cruise. It's me, Chris, and today we're going to talk about Dogecoin. What Doge is all about, what makes it unique. We're going to talk some chart analysis, potential price target, where Dogecoin is heading in the immediate short term. But not only about Dogecoin, of course, we're also going to talk about Ethereum. At today's show, we're going to start with the Bitcoin chart as we always do, and the whole crypto market is experiencing quite a significant correction. Let's see how I think it's gonna play out. Is it potentially possible to drop even further down to 103, 100 and even below 103,000, and with that to pull the rest of the cryptos with it, and to experience like even bigger correction? I mean, potentially possible, but I mean that's how it's in these markets. You have to be able to endure these corrections. But as I've said, I think the bottom is near, and sooner than later, we're gonna start hitting all-time high prices for Bitcoin. I don't think the bear market is here. I think we're in a raging bull market. When you think of it, the bottom of the bear market happened in November of 2022, a price of around 15,000. At the time of recording this video, BTC is around 107, 108,000. Yes, the rest of the cryptos are absolutely smashed. They're absolutely destroyed, and most of them, they might never recover. But the altcoin season hasn't happened yet. We have to consider that. And I mean, what I'm actually anticipating way higher prices when it comes to the alts. Now, when it comes to Bitcoin, I'm anticipating. I don't think the all-time high price will be on 126,000. I think we're gonna have higher prices when it comes to Bitcoin. And as I've said, once we start hitting, I think you'll be surprised how quickly Bitcoin can move, and we can basically start hitting all-time high prices even this year. I'm not gonna be surprised at all if as I've said, we start hitting all-time high prices even this year. Now, when it comes to Ethereum, again, nothing has changed. I see nothing but bullish momentum, reverse head and shoulders, ascending triangle patterns. Of course, there's a lot of bearish sentiment. I mean, I don't know, guys. I don't know what to tell you. If you can't endure the markets, get out of it, right? Me, I haven't sold any position. I'm never gonna sell anything, because that's how we should operate. If you believe in something, you should stick with it. As I've said, ascending triangle pattern, especially here, if we measure it from the bottom to the top, the price target should be above 6,600, and this is something what I'm actually anticipating for Ethereum to go potentially this year, and with that to basically take the rest of the with the outs to like all-time high prices and experience like a huge significant altcoin season, like always, like always. So if I see something else in the charts, I'll let you know, but I remain bullish. I mean, I understand some of you can be quite concerned. You always say, the cryptos are absolutely destroyed, what's going on? Well, that's how it's in the markets, guys. But I see nothing but bullish momentum when it comes to Bitcoin, when it comes to Ethereum, and sooner or later, as they always do, the alts will catch up, and they won't catch up like slowly but surely. They will catch up in just a few weeks, and they will go significantly higher than what it is now. Now, when it comes to Dogecoin, in my personal opinion, will outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum. At the time of recording this video, one Doge is around 20 cents. And I'm telling you, 7-8x potentially. It's not completely delusional. I think that's really reasonable, and I see nothing but bullish momentum. As you can clearly see here, we tested this channel pattern on the upside. We dropped even down here at 10 cents mark, and we bounced at the 20 cents. And now, in my personal opinion, we're gearing up for potentially test this resistance at price of above 32 cents. If we go and break it, we take out this local top that we formed in December of 2024 at prices of around 50 cents, and potentially we can go quickly and test all-time high price for Dogecoin, and from 75 cents double in price to $1.50 in a matter of a few weeks, a matter of a few months. I think potentially something like that can play out. I mean, the market cap of a Dogecoin is ridiculous. It's really high. So you know, we have to consider that fact, and we have to be a bit more conservative of what Dogecoin previously did. But I mean, I think Dogecoin did over like 100x in 2017. Here in 2020, 2021, I think it went like 300, 400x, something completely insane. And if we measure it again, as I've said, from the bottom here, that happened in 2023, was the price was around 6 cents. Is it possible to go 20, 30x to price of around $1.50? Potentially something like that can play out, considering the fact what happened previously. And Dogecoin, it's not just a meme coin. Right now, it's like it's a movement propped by Elon Musk, to name a few, and it's definitely worth it to have a look. I think Dogecoin, again, anything I say in this video, it is not a financial advice. It's for pure entertainment purposes, and before you do anything, do the diligence and make your own research, because as I've said, this is not a financial advice, and don't ever risk money that you can't afford to lose. But when it comes to Dogecoin, I think we're gonna experience a lot more bullish momentum for the weeks and for the months to come. And as I've said, $1.50, double from its previous all-time high, is a conservative theory of mine, and I remain bullish. I remain bullish on Dogecoin, on Ethereum, on Bitcoin, and as I've said, some of the outs, and I haven't changed my mind. In my personal opinion, we're not in a bear market, we're in a raging bull market, and sooner or later the outs will catch up with the Bitcoin and Ethereum charts. Once again, guys, thank you all for tuning in. I really appreciate all the support. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube, please do it. It's for absolutely free. And if you really want to support my work, you can subscribe to my Patreon. With that subscription comes a lot of exclusive content with the most undervalued, underappreciated coins, some of them 50, 100x potential, my 2 books of how to become a sophisticated trader, and of course, one-on-one consultation helping you how to navigate through that really difficult bull cycle. Once again, thank you all, and we'll see each other tomorrow. Goodbye.